This is the Klipsch The Fives, and honestly, these might be one of the most interesting speaker systems you can buy right now. They look like something straight out of a 1970s hi-fi setup, but inside, they're packed with modern tech like HDMI ARC, Bluetooth, and USB audio. So the big question is, can these actually replace your soundbar and your music setup at the same time? After spending serious time with them, I found a few things Klipsch absolutely nailed, and a couple things that might surprise you before you spend your hard-earned cash. Klipsch The Fives Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? The Klipsch The Fives are premium powered bookshelf speakers, originally released as part of Klipsch's Heritage Wireless lineup. And they're clearly designed for people who want big, room-filling sound without dealing with a separate amplifier or a super complicated audio setup. Here's the main selling point. These speakers are basically an all-in-one entertainment system. You get HDMI ARC for your TV, Bluetooth for streaming music, a phono preamp for vinyl turntables, optical input, USB, and even subwoofer support. That means you can connect pretty much everything directly into the speakers. Klipsch The Fives Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how do these actually perform in real life? Here's the thing, the Fives sound big, like shockingly big for bookshelf speakers. The first thing you notice is the clarity. Dialogue in movies comes through incredibly clean, which makes them genuinely excellent for TV watching. I tested them with everything from action movies to late-night YouTube binges, and voices always stayed crisp and easy to hear. But then, you switch over to music, and these speakers completely change personality. The bass hits hard, sometimes surprisingly hard for speakers this size. Tracks with deep electronic bass or hip-hop sound punchy and energetic without immediately needing a separate subwoofer. And the horn-loaded tweeters? Classic Klipsch. They give vocals and instruments a really lively, forward sound. Some people absolutely love that energetic presentation because it feels exciting and immersive. Others might find it a little bright at higher volumes. Personally, for movies and rock music, I loved it. Now, are they perfect? Not exactly. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features, because this is where the Fives become really interesting. First up, HDMI ARC. This is honestly a game changer. Instead of juggling optical cables and weird remotes, you can connect these directly to your TV and control volume using your normal TV remote. It makes the experience feel way more seamless than traditional speakers. Second, there's the built-in phono preamp. If you're into vinyl, you can plug a turntable straight into these without buying extra gear. That lowers the barrier to entry for people building their first real audio setup. Another standout feature is USB audio support. Connect these to your PC or Mac, and suddenly they become excellent desktop speakers for editing, gaming, or music production. And because they support high-resolution audio playback, music sounds noticeably cleaner compared to standard Bluetooth compression. And finally, there's dynamic bass EQ, which automatically adjusts low frequencies at lower listening volumes. Basically, even when you're listening quietly at night, the speakers still sound full and rich, instead of thin and lifeless. Design and build. Aesthetically, Klipsch absolutely knocked it out of the park here. The walnut veneer version especially looks gorgeous. These don't feel like generic tech products. They feel like furniture. And in a living room setup, that matters more than people realize. The build quality is solid too. The cabinets feel dense and premium, the knobs have satisfying resistance, and even the included remote feels more upscale than expected. One thing I really appreciate is the physical controls on top of the speaker. In an age where everything relies on apps, there's something refreshing about real tactile switches and volume knobs. Pros. Incredible room-filling sound with powerful bass. Gorgeous retro-inspired design with premium materials. Tons of connectivity options for music, gaming, vinyl, and TV. Cons. Large size may not fit smaller desks or shelves. Premium price compared to standard soundbars. Final verdict. So, who are these actually for, and are they worth the money? Look, if you want a clean, minimalist setup without sacrificing real stereo sound, the Klipsch The Fives are incredibly compelling. They're especially great for people who are tired of flat-sounding soundbars, but don't want the complexity of a full home theater receiver setup yet. If you love movies, vinyl, gaming, and music equally, these speakers handle all of it surprisingly well. They feel versatile in a way most audio products don't.